Hello, and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. I'm Shannon, and I love rocks and gemstones. Today, I'll be showing you how I recently tumbled a batch of Kambaba Jasper. So if rock tumbling is a hobby for you, or if you're new to rock tumbling, you're interested in starting, then I'll be showing you the entire process from rough all the way to the finished, polished stage. And at the end of the video, I'll be posting my timeline and recipe. So if you're interested in tumbling Kambaba Jasper, you'll see how I did everything. Now, Kambaba Jasper is this great black and olive green stone, and it is in the Jasper family. It's Mohs hardness 7. And it polished up really nicely. If you're a beginner, starting with agates and jaspers is a really good idea. And I found this to be a relatively quick and easy tumble. So if you're interested in starting, yeah, I would highly recommend Kambaba Jasper. Well, let's get into it. Let me show you the rough. In this barrel, I will be starting a stone that I really adore, and it's called Kambaba Jasper or Crocodile Jasper. It's green with these kind of black loops or like eyes in them. I love this stone. It's getting more popular these days. I have about 6 pounds of this, and that will be more than enough. I'll probably only use about 4 pounds. I'm really excited. Yeah. Now, of course, this is going to look vastly different next week when some of this dirt and the rough edges have been ground off and we can really see what's under here. I'm really excited. Oh, I'm so excited about this batch. Last week, you saw this completely rough. This was Kambaba Jasper. And now it's had a week in course, and you can really tell what this looks like now. It's really beautiful. Kambaba Jasper is one of my very favorite stones ever. Can't tell you why, I just love it. It's also called Crocodile Jasper. Let me see. Oh, look at the eyes on this one. So nice. Really excited about this. All right, back into the barrel with coarse grit for you. See you after week 2. Here is our Kambaba Jasper, and it's just finished its 2nd week in course, and it's looking so nice. Oops. Oh, I'm really happy with how this has turned out. Wow. These pieces are really nice. I believe just from this spot check that this batch is ready to go to move to medium grit. The 120-220. I'll do a double check and I'll look at every single one, because if I've got about 50% that could use another week in course, then I'll use one of my tiny barrels, run those a little bit more, and combine them again. But it looks like, it really does look like this is ready for medium. Yeah, for sure. So nice. Our Kambaba Jasper has just finished a week in medium grit, and this batch is looking really, really good. I'm pretty sure that this is going to go into fine grit today. These pieces are smooth, no crevices really, just really nice and fine. So these have done 2 weeks in coarse and 1 in medium, and yeah, I think this is going for fine grit. So nice. I mean, look at that, that green and those black eyes in it. So nice. We'll see Kambaba next week. Here is the Kambaba Jasper. This just came out of the fine grit, and it's looking really gorgeous. Like, really nice. Look at those little eyes and swirls. I'm gonna wash this batch up really good, and I'll put it in polish. However, well, not this one. That one needs some more work. However, I think I have more Jasper than will fit in my polishing barrels. I may have to split this up or super clean one of my other barrels so I can polish all of this. But I have segregated my polishing barrels from the grit barrels, so there's less risk of contamination. We'll see. I'll put this all in one of my polishing barrels and see if that fits. Looking super nice. Hooray. Now this is the Kambaba Jasper that's been in polish for 1 week. Polish usually lasts at least 2 weeks, but I still want to check and see how it's doing. And we're starting to get some shine, for sure. Yeah. Yeah. See that flash of the sun. Dig in here some more. Yeah, it's starting to polish up for sure. Definitely needs more time, but it's looking good. Looking good. Put these little ones back in there, and I will close it up and get it back on the tumbler. This is Kambaba Jasper, and it's been running in polish for 2 weeks. Time to check its level of polish. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Wow. This is really looking good. Yeah, Kambaba Jasper is also known as Crocodile Jasper, so if you're looking for rough, you can find it under either. Wow, this is a really, really nice shine. Wow, I'm really happy with that. Let's see, one more. Let's dig down in there. Yeah, okay. This looks fantastic. I'm really happy with this. So I'm gonna call Kambaba Jasper complete. Its next phase is to run in a cleaning cycle called Burnishing, in which I make sure that all of the polish residue has been rinsed off of the gemstones and their polish can really shine, because dried polish can dull the surface of stones. Wow. Whew, so nice. All right. So at the end of the video, you'll be seeing the finished product. So I was really, really pleased with how this batch turned out. It was quick. It's probably the quickest batch I've ever finished. It was really easy. I highly recommend it for beginner tumblers. And if you're interested in watching more instructional videos that are focused on one gemstone, then subscribe to this channel because I'll be posting more. This video was a compilation of pieces from my weekly videos that cover all of the gemstones that I'm tumbling, but I put those pieces together to show you just Kambaba Jasper. And I'll be doing many more of those in the future as I finish more batches. So hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you.